What's up guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be installing a sliding guide kit on this new Husqvarna.
Developed for Baja and extreme conditions, suitable for all types of riding, the front chain slider incorporates sound dampening pads to reduce chain slap noise. Our composite plastic lasts up to 3 times longer than any other chain slider on the market. The power lip roller reduces chain drag and side plate wear, and our factory edition No. 2 rear chain guide has replaceable wear pad. Industry-leading plastic formula of return memory system that absorbs impacts and returns it back to center. Friction-reducing additives and UV protection to eliminate color fade, making them look brand new for as long as possible. Built in the USA and used by champion-winning race teams worldwide such as Precision Concepts Kawasaki Off-Road Team.